Hello, my dear students. First of all, welcome to my class. Today your topic class 10th exercise 5.2 question number 15. Now your question is for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs equal? Now first of all given to you the nth terms of two APs are equal, means nth term is given to you. Suppose first is an and second is small a. Now an means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here you can put capital D. This. Now a is 63 plus n same means n. D 65 minus 63 means 2. Now for second series a is 3 and same d 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. 63 minus 2 means 61 plus 2n is equal to 3 minus 7 means 4 minus 4 plus 7n. Now 2n minus 7n transposing here minus 4, 61 transposing here minus 61. Now 2n minus 7n means minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Minus minus cancel, n is equal to 65 upon 5 is equal to 13. It will means 13 terms of the two given APs are equal. Now again two APs are given to you whose nth terms find करनी है which are equal. It will means let the first series is capital AN and second is AN. Now AN a plus n minus 1 into d, AN a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you can solve this. Simple. 61 plus 2n is equal to minus 4 plus 7n. Now 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61 minus 5n is equal to 65. Cancel, n is equal to 13. Means 13 terms of the two given APs are equal. Now your next question is determine the APs whose third term is 16. Now let A and D be the first term and common difference given AP. Now APs whose third term is 16 means A3 is equal to 16. Equation number 1 means A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 16. This equation 1. This. Now 7th term exceed the 5th term by 12 means 7th term 5th term plus 12. 7th term 12 मोर देन टू फिफ्थ टर्म। सेवन्थ जो टर्म है फिफ्थ टर्म से क्या है 12 मोर है। A7 मीन्स A प्लस 6D, A5 मीन्स A प्लस 4D प्लस 12 because an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And the term for AP is A plus n minus 1 into D, and then here n minus 1, 7, then 6, 5, then here 4. Now A cancel to each other. 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. Now 6D minus 4D, 2D is equal to 12, D is equal to 6. Put the value of D in equation first. First is A plus 2D, means A plus 2 into D, 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16. It will implies A is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Now when A is equal to 4, then A2 is equal to A plus D, means 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. A3 means A2 plus D, 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. A4, A3 plus D, 16 plus 6 equal to 22. Now dash dash. So the required AP is 4, 10, 16 dash dash. This is your answer. Simple question. First of all, whose third term is 16? Means A3 is equal to 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12, means seventh term fifth term से 12 ज़्यादा है. Seventh term is equal to A5 plus 12. Now seventh term means A plus 6D, A5 means A plus 4D plus 12. A cancel to each other because A transposing here, then it becomes minus A, then plus A minus A cancel this. Now 6D minus 4D is equal to 12, then D is equal to 6. Now put the value of D in equation first, then A is equal to 4. Now A2 10, A3 16, A4 22. So therefore the required AP is 4, 10, 16 dash dash and so on. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. 3, 8, 13, 253. This. Now this last term of the AP. This. It will means the required AP is 253. 5 gap means 248, 243 dash dash this. Now simple 20 term from the last term. Now 253 is first term. It will means 20 term A20, A plus 19D. Now A is equal to 253 and D is equal to 248 minus 253 is equal to minus 5. Simple process. When the terms moving this direction, then plus 5, and then opposite, then it becomes minus 5. Simply A20 is equal to A plus 19D. Now A is 253 plus 19, D is minus 5. Now 253 minus 95 is equal to 158. This. Now the required term is 158. This is your answer. Simple question. 3, 8, 13, dash, dash, 253 is given to you series. Find the 20th term from the last. Last means it becomes first term. Then 248, 243, dash, dash means A is equal to 253. D is equal to 248 minus 253 is equal to minus 5. Then A20 is equal to A plus 19D, because AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, general term of N term, this, then A plus 19D, then we get 158. So therefore the required term is 158. This is your answer. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of sixth and 10th term is 44. Find the first three term of the AP. Now your question, fourth and eighth term sum means A4, A8 terms is 24. This A4 means A plus 3D, A8 means A plus 7D is equal to 24. Now 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2 common, A plus 5D is equal to 24. This, but this is suitable. Equation number 1. This. Now please sorry, A plus 5D equal to 24 upon 2, it becomes 12. Equation number 1. This. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Equation number 1. Now sum of 6th and 10th term. 6th and 10th term means A6 and A10 is equal to 44. The sum of these term is 44. A6 means A plus 5D. A10 means A plus 9D is equal to 44. 2A plus 9, 5, 14D is equal to 44. Now 2 also common. A plus 7D is equal to 44, means A plus 7D is equal to 22. Equation number 2. Solving first and second. First is A plus 5D is equal to 12. Second is A plus 7D is equal to 22. Now coefficient of A are equal, means by subtraction according to third chapter by eliminating method, minus 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 cancel, minus 2D is equal to minus 10. minus minus cancel, d is equal to 5. D equal to 5, put the value in equation first. This D equal to 5, put in first equation. A plus 5 into D means 5 is equal to 12. A plus 25 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 25 is equal to minus 13. Means this. Means A2 means A plus D minus 13 plus 5 is equal to minus 8. A3 means A2 plus D minus 8, D is plus 5 minus 3. A4 means A3 plus D minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. So therefore first three terms of given AP are minus 13 minus 8 minus 3 dash dash. This is your answer. Now simple question. First of all, what is your statement? Statement is the sum of 4th and 8th term is 24, and second is 6th and 10th term sum of these term is 44. Then you will solve this and this, then you get D is equal to 5 and A is equal to minus 13 simply using elimination method. Then A2 is equal to this, A3 is equal to this, A4 is equal to this. So therefore the first three terms of the given AP are this minus 13 minus 8 minus 3 dash dash. My dear students, बिल्कुल इम्पोर्टेंट सम स्टेटमेंट सम है. स्टेटमेंट अगर आपको आ गई तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बस स्टेटमेंट को करते समय आप 2-3 बार स्टेटमेंट पढ़ें. अगर आपको वो समझ नहीं आती है देन यू कैन ईजिली एक्सप्लेन इट इन द मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन. तब आप इसको क्या कर सकते हो, मैथमेटिकली इक्वेशन में ईजिली फॉर्म कर सकते हो और देन यू कैन डू सॉल्व इट ईजिली, और फिर इसे आप ईजिली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट. लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और सब्सक्राइब के साथ बेल वाला बटन ज़रूर दबाएं. थैंक यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, बाय बाय. अगेन मीट यू.